Hey everyone, accidentally closed Microsoft Word without saving your work. Don't panic. In many cases, Word can recover unsaved documents using its built-in recovery features. In this tutorial, I'll show you several ways to find and restore your missing document, so let's get started. If Word closed unexpectedly because of a crash or power outage, reopen Microsoft Word first. In many cases, the document recovery pane will automatically appear on the left side, showing the latest recovered versions of your files. If the recovery pane doesn't appear, click File, then Info, and select Manage Document. Choose Recover Unsaved Documents to open Word's recovery folder. If your file is available, open it and save it immediately. Another option is to check Word's AutoRecover files. Open File, then Options, and select Save. Here you can view the AutoRecover file location. Open that folder to look for recently saved recovery files. If your document was stored in OneDrive, you may also be able to restore an earlier version. Open the file from OneDrive, access version history, and choose the version you want to restore. To reduce the chance of losing work in the future, make sure AutoRecover is enabled. You can also shorten the AutoRecover save interval and save your documents to OneDrive, where automatic saving is available while you work. And that's how to recover an unsaved Microsoft Word document. Whether you're using Document Recovery, AutoRecover, or OneDrive version history, there's a good chance you can restore your work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.